I'm in this little VWAP. It's going above it, but the market came down and really pressed below it, but now it's popping back up, so we'll see if this can hold. See if these wicks can get price back below the VWAP. So far, struggled a little bit. Just bouncing around here. Yes, can we get back below this? So now we're below it a little bit here. And now we're back above it. So someone could be long here, but again, I want to see if this VWAP can hold the candle. Market's trying to push up, but and it might. Who knows, right? Typically, I'll go along on the VWAP here, but these wicks, you know, and the way this price action came down, feels like this is just trying to sweep some orders, but we shall see. I could be wrong, and the market could just keep going up. Just north of the VWAP, so might be time to cut this thing. We'll see. You can, like I said, scalping above it is pretty nice. You'd have to be pretty quick. We'll see. So can price get back down to under 643? We shall see. Sorry, I'm just right at the VWAP now. this trade here. And stay below this number here, but just the waiting game here. And that VWAP is just a really good area. Yeah, so this is likely where I'll probably want to start taking some profit. We'll see. So yeah, we're under the VWAP now, and see if we can hold. We shall see. So yeah, just simple price action, price coming down. It did press above it, but you know, look at these wicks, you know, so it's pretty slick. So definitely want to take some profit. Okay, good, good. All right. So, okay, cool. I thought I had another stop there. Just modify that to 10. And so, we break the lows here, you know, once. So yeah, let's see what we can get out of this thing here. Nice little VWAP trade. Pretty cool. So what I'll probably do is take off 5. Nice. So locking in profit like crazy. Just killing the market today. But pretty simple price action. Nothing crazy there. So that's pretty cool. And you can see I'm in my Tradeify account, so this is not a demo, this is my funded account, so we'll see. Give this a little bit more room. Look at NQ bounce around, man. So I'm gonna actually move this just above the VWAP. Let's see if we can get one more leg down. So otherwise, just kind of managing this thing. Great little VWAP trade. Just sipping coffee and killing the NQ with some micros today. It's nice not fighting the market, right? A lot of times I'd be trying to buy this. Nope. What target would I have for this trade? Well, we have this 4-hour and daily stacked right down here. I mean, I'm not saying it all the way down here, but so for them to get profit, probably just take off 4 in a minute here. If you can break down. That way I just lock in all most of my profit and just let one contract run. But we'll see if we get, let's hoping to get a little more push down. I'll just take 4 off there and modify this to 1 and solidify my trading for the day. So yeah, I guess even 1 on here. See if we can get down to this. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I love having these targets like this. And again, not saying it's going to get down to the 4-hour, but it came down here earlier, so it actually could go farther. But I'm definitely targeting this 4-hour GANN and the daily. A nice little sell signal. See how the sells are good, but so you're selling right now. If you're just a single trader, you'll be getting in way. That's why I love levels. I love signals too. So you confirm what you're doing. But can we get down to this 4-hour? Let's see. Good trade. My little VWAP trade. Yeah, just using micros, you know. Nothing fancy. So where are we at in this trade? 1200. Not bad. Yep. You know, not bad at all. 1200 bucks. This is my second 200K account with Blue Sky, so you know. So yeah, definitely a good chance for the market to get down to, you know, VWAP to GANN levels. I love those kind of trades. Yeah, nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. Come on down to the 4-hour and to the daily. We'll see. It's done it before, so I'm not sure what happened at 425. The market just straight up. But yeah, it's kind of nice being in the 5-minute. Slows things down a little bit. I used to trade in the 1 minute, but now the 5 gives you just kind of, you know. Can we get down to this daily? Be nice to see it get down to this daily level. Almost 10 a.m. New York time, close. Kind of pausing here for whatever reason. You know, it likely wants to get down here eventually today, but who knows, you know? Is this where it's going to pause and just go up? So keep this a little bit below the VWAP. This would be kind of like a breakout trade. Kind of wrecks your entry, but just kind of curious if we can get down to this daily, or at least the 4-hour. Doesn't always happen, but they do act like magnets for whatever reason. I'm not sure that that's how it works, but we just know the professionals trade around these 4-hour and daily levels. That's all I know. I know there's a lot of deep math in this. It's above my ability. But pretty simple target. You know, if I can get down to the 504, then I'll probably just get out of this and be done. also could blow through these levels too, right? So I mean, we don't know. I don't predict. It's close, 530. Needs to get to 505 and really it's starting to push down. So we're getting to my first target. Almost. Well, I mean, it bounced right at 509, but we'll see. NQ loves to get, let's see here, look at that. Kind of waiting. Can we get down to 506? So we shall see. Can we get down? Let's see here. Starting to bounce a little bit. Let's see what's going on. Starting to kind of bounce. It got close to my, man, I got right to the tick almost. Well, got to 510 and I was shooting for 506. So close. this is, yeah, I guess that's right. Let's see, I've been going this trade for almost more than a half hour. Yeah, it's kind of just stair-stepping down, you know, nothing too dramatic yet. Yeah, unless it bounces me, and then that would be dramatic. No, just kidding. No drama here, just playing some levels here. So it might come take me out. I was hoping it'd get down to here, but let's just might put on a little bit more. So makes my my entry leaving a little worse here, but I'm hoping we can get a leg down to this daily or 4 hour. But it might not happen. There's a slight downside to adding contracts. Is that, you know, makes your entry a little bit worse, and now I might be in a losing trade now. It's starting to bounce it a little bit. It's just taking me out of, yeah, it bounced me a little bit. So I'll re-enter. I really feel like we have a chance to get down to here. Oh, let's see if it happens. get back down to this area. We'll see. But it did bounce off that 4 hour. Pretty much right, this zone came down, bounced it. I'm just wondering if we get one more leg down. You know what I mean? We'll see. Yeah, so you had a move down, and really the VWAP held it. You know, you moved down, and it was, at least for now, it was retesting it again. Basically, it didn't get quite. It may, you know, it could, you know. If this fails, I'm in good shape. If it doesn't fail, then will get stopped out. Pretty basic. So that was a nice kind of a retest fail. You know, that's kind of cool. We'll see if that means anything. It's only 10:13. So yeah, I went up to the VWAP again and failed, and so we shall see. Can we get back down to this the 4 hour? That'd be kind of cool. It's kind of what my target is. Targeting this 4 hour. So it might be time to take some profit again. We'll see. I'd like to give it a little bit more room. That's kind of nice. There we go. So I would take a little bit of profit there. that's funny. Okay, cool. I got one of the 5 of them got taken out. Cool. Cool. All right. So now the 5. Let's see if we can get this thing down to the 4 hour. Can we do it? And kind of like what I did before, before I got stuck out, probably will take off 4, we'll see, give this some room. Nice, let's take off 4 there, and let this one run. And this will be my last trade of the day. Whether this comes up, bounces me out, or it's my target. So, yeah, just some basic retest trades today, nothing fancy. Alright, can we get into this daily? Even the 4 hour would be cool. The 4 hour would be awesome. Like sweet coffee. Alright, can we get down to the daily? down here. Might bounce me. Should be done. Might be done. It might bounce it. So I wanted to take profit. You never know. Yeah, there you go. Got bounced. So that calls it for this VWAP trade. And anyway, take care.